You're starving at a restaurant. The waiter looks at you. You panic and point at the menu like a lost tourist. This is for beginner English learners who freeze when ordering food. Today, you'll speak confidently at any American restaurant. Miss one phrase and you'll eat the wrong meal or look rude without meaning to. Brian, what's the worst ordering experience you've seen?
Someone once got chicken when they wanted fish.
Exactly, so let's fix that. First, the waiter comes over and says, "Hi, what can I get you?"
Do I order right away?
Not yet. Say, "Can I have a minute?"
Can I have a minute? That's it?
Yep, buys you time to look at the menu. Practice. Say, "Can I have a minute?"
Can I have a minute?
Excellent. Say it again.
Can I have a minute?
Good. Now you're ready to order. Say, "I'll have the," and then the food name.
I'll have the burger.
Perfect. Not "I want" or "give me." Always "I'll have."
Why?
It's polite, more natural. Americans say it constantly.
Got it. I'll have the pasta.
Nice. Now the waiter asks, "How would you like that cooked?"
Wait, what does that mean?
For meat, rare, medium, or well done. How cooked do you want it?
Oh, I say medium?
If that's what you want, say medium, please.
Medium, please.
Always add please. Makes you sound friendly. Practice. Say medium, please.
Medium, please.
Excellent. Say it again.
Medium, please.
Now, drinks. The waiter says, "What would you like to drink?"
Water?
Sure. Say just water, please.
Just water, please. What if I want soda?
Say the brand. "I'll have a Coke, please."
I'll have a Coke, please.
Perfect. Here's a tricky one. They ask, "Is that for here or to go?"
For here or to go?
Eating there or taking it home. If you're staying, say for here.
For here. And if I'm leaving?
To go. Super simple.
To go. Okay, easy.
Now, what if you have allergies or don't eat something?
That's important.
Say, "Does this have," and then the ingredient. Like, "Does this have nuts?"
Does this have nuts?
Exactly. Or say, "I'm allergic to shellfish."
I'm allergic to shellfish. They need to know that.
Right. Better safe than sorry. Practice. Say, "Does this have nuts?"
Does this have nuts?
Excellent. Say it again.
Does this have nuts?
Good. Now you want to change something in the dish.
Like what?
Maybe no onions. Say, "Can I get that without onions?"
Can I get that without onions?
Perfect. Or add something. "Can I add extra cheese?"
Can I add extra cheese? Will they charge more?
Sometimes. You can ask, "Is there an extra charge for that?"
Is there an extra charge for that? Smart.
Saves surprises on the bill. Now the food arrives. It's wrong.
Oh no, what do I do?
Stay calm. Say, "I'm sorry, I ordered the chicken."
I'm sorry, I ordered the chicken.
They'll fix it. Don't get angry. Mistakes happen.
That's good to know.
Now you need something during the meal. A napkin, ketchup, whatever.
How do I ask?
Say, "Could I get some ketchup, please?"
Could I get some ketchup, please? Or, excuse me, could I have more napkins?
Excuse me, could I have more napkins? The "excuse me" part matters.
Gets their attention politely. Practice. Say, could I get some ketchup, please? Could I get some ketchup, please?
Excellent. Say it again.
Could I get some ketchup, please?
Nice. Now you're done eating. You want the check.
The check?
The bill, what you pay. Say, "Can I get the check, please?"
Can I get the check, please?
Sometimes they say, "Are you still working on that?"
Working on that?
Means, "Are you still eating?" If yes, say, "Yes, still working on it."
Yes, still working on it. If I'm done?
Say, "Nope, I'm all set, thanks."
Nope, I'm all set, thanks.
Perfect. The check comes, you look at it, something seems wrong.
What do I say?
Ask, "Excuse me, can you explain this charge?"
Excuse me, can you explain this charge? Not rude?
Not at all. You have a right to understand.
Fair enough.
Last thing, tipping. In America, always tip.
How much?
15 to 20% for good service. Just leave cash or add it to the card.
Got it.
Let's review. When the waiter comes, you say,
Can I have a minute?
"To order food?"
I'll have the burger.
If something's wrong with your order?
I'm sorry, I ordered the chicken.
Perfect. You're ready to eat anywhere.
This makes it so much easier.
That's the goal. Food's better when you're confident ordering it.
True.
All right, question for everyone listening. What's your favorite food to order at restaurants? Tell us in the comments. And subscribe for more real English you'll actually use. Now, go eat something delicious.